Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We have gone through 8 matras in Gurmukhi. The last matra that we are going to look at is Kanna. Like the other matras that we have discussed, similarly here we are going to have some rules when it comes to the Kanna matra. The first rule is that Kanna matra will be at the right side of the letter. If this is my letter, Kanna matra will be on the right side. So this will be the Kanna matra. It is just a line, and we can say it will be half of the letter. So if this is my letter, ha, then my Kanna matra will be half of the letter. Okay. It will be on the right side and half of the letter. Second point is the sound of the matra will be a. Like if we look at this word, arms, the sound of A in arms will be the sound of the matra. Third point is we cannot attach Kanna with Uda and Ed. So these are the 3 rules that we are having here. The first one is Kanna will be on the right side of the letter and its length will be half of the letter. Second is the sound of the matra will be A. And third one is we cannot use Kanna with Uda and Ed. Let's look at all the Gurmukhi letters we have and how they are going to change the sounds when we are going to attach the Kanna matra. The black ones are the Mukta letters and blue ones are the letters with the matra Kanna. We cannot attach Kanna with Uda and Ed. That is why we have marked them as cross. This is my Ada. Ada is going to give the sound of A. Once you have attached the Kanna matra, its sound will be A. This will also be the sound of the Kanna matra, or you can say the representation of the sound of the Kanna matra. A. This is Sassa. Sassa is going to give the sound of Sa, and this one is Sa. Ha, ha. Kakka, ka. Khakha, kha. Gagga, ga. Kagga, ka. Nganga, nga. Chacha, cha. Chacha, cha. Jajja, ja. Chajja, cha. Yaiya, ya. Tanka, ta. Thatha, tha. Dadda, da. Tadda, ta. Nana, na. Tatta, ta. Thatha, tha. Dadda, da. Tadda, ta. Nanna, na. Pappa, pa. Paffa, fa. Babba, ba. Pabba, pa. Mamma, ma. Yayya, ya. Rara, ra. Lalla, la. Wawa, wa. Rada, ra. Sasse pair bindi, shasha, sha. Khakhe pair bindi, khakha, kha. Gagge pair bindi, gagga, ga. Jajje pair bindi, zazza, za. Faffe pair bindi, faffa, fa. Lalle pair bindi, lalla, la. So these are all the sounds that we are going to get once we attach the Kanna matra to the Gurmukhi letters. With this, we have completed all the matras which are available in Gurmukhi. In the next part, we are going to look at the examples of the Kanna matra, and then we are going to learn some of the words by mixing the different matras that we have covered so far. If you have any questions related to the Kanna matra, please let me know in the comment section below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.